16. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cute kawaii banana charm using air dry clay. So let's get started. I'm mixing white and a small ball of yellow air dry clay. Slightly bend it on the side. Make 4 tiny balls of yellow clay. Roll each ball and flatten it. That we made earlier. This will be the banana skin. The clay sticks to itself while it's soft, but if the outer layer dries up, you can attach the skin with white glue. Black small bead for the eyes. Add some details. Pastel for the skin color. So there you have it. This is what my banana charm looks like. Thank you for watching.